Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters and mga ka-G! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung saan man kayong lapalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni G, the Green Girly Cutie Patuti Iguana. Nabatiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, at good night na po sa mga ready ng matulog. At welcome na naman po sa ating panibagong topic. Another episode naman po natin dito po sa G and Daddy Health and Lifestyle Tips. Before tayo mag-proceed sa ating lecture, okay? So hihingin ko muna ang inyong thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe dito po sa ating channel, Master Worm. At syempre, para po kayo updated po sa ating mga contents at sa ating mga schedules. Okay, so, and syempre, dito po every 6 o'clock in the morning sa ating G and Daddy Health and Lifestyle Tips. Pasensya po at pamanhin. Late tayo kahapon dahil po may tayong technical problem sa ating Wi-Fi at sobrang may get 1 hour po ang pag-upload ng video. Usually, it takes only 5 minutes or less to upload this video. Pero kahapon po ay sobrang bagal po ng ating Wi-Fi dahil po siguro ay meron masama yung panahon dito sa amin sa El Paso kahapon. Okay? So, let's proceed po sa ating topic. Okay? What are the top 15 calcium-rich foods? Many are non-dairy. So, hindi po gatas, hindi po produkto ng baka. Aside from that, marami tayong mga calcium-rich foods. Okay? You can get calcium from both plant and animal sources. Okay? This can include dairy products, yun po yung ating mga nagagaling po sa baka, or sardines, seeds, and leafy greens, among others. Kaya hindi lang po dairy ang sources ng calcium. Diba? Previously po ay na-discuss na rin po natin yung function ng calcium. Diba? Yan, calcium is very, very important po sa ating bone health, sa ating mood, sa ating heart, sa ating circulation, at sa kidney health din po natin. And so, marami pong part ng katawan po natin ang nangangailangan ng calcium po. Okay? So, calcium makes up of our bones, teeth, and plays a role in the heart, and nasabi ko, muscles, function, and nerve signaling. Yan po yung mga functions po ng calcium. Okay? For most adults, it's recommended to consume at least 1,300 milligrams of calcium per day. 1,300 milligrams of calcium per day. Through certain groups require a higher amount, including adolescents, post-menopausal women, and older adults. Okay? So, pag medyo nandun ka na range na belong, mas kailangan mo ng mas marami-rami higher amount yung iyong requirement. Although, dairy products like milk, okay, cheese, and yogurt are especially high in calcium, many dairy-free sources of calcium are available. Marami pang mga sources na available. Here are the 15 foods that are rich in calcium. Okay? So, many of which are non-dairy. Di-discuss po natin yung mga non-dairy na mga halimbawa po nila. So, pinakauna is seeds. Mga buto-buto po. Seeds. Seeds are tiny nutritional powerhouses and are very high in calcium, including poppy seeds. Pamilyar ba kayo sa poppy seeds? P-O-P-P-Y. Isang uri ng tanim po yan. Okay? Sesame seeds, celery, and chia seeds. Celery, may seed ng celery, di ba? Okay? So, yun po sila. No? For more deeper explanation po, or naman deeper explanation po, if you're not able to understand what I'm not discussing here, please open or check the link or the description below, because I have copied, and pasted the lectures fresh from my source. Okay? So, of course, for instance, 1 tablespoon, isang kutsara or 9 grams of poppy seeds packs 127 milligrams of calcium. Okay? Or 10% of the recommended daily value. Okay? Mataas yung level ng calcium po sa poppy seed. Seeds also deliver protein and healthy fats. For example, okay, Chia seeds are rich in plant-based omega-3 fatty acids. Okay, for chia seeds naman po yung iyong tinitake or ang iyong part ng iyong diet. Okay, very good din po siya kasi very high po siya sa omega-3 fatty acids. Sesame seeds sesame seeds contain 7% of the daily value of calcium in 1 tablespoon or 9 grams plus other minerals including copper, iron, and manganese. O di ba ang sesame is very high din po sa mga copper, iron, and manganese aside po sa calcium. O di ba? So in summary po, many seeds are good sources of calcium and also deliver other important nutrients such as protein and healthy fats. 1 tablespoon is like 9 grams of poppy seeds contains 10% of the daily value of calcium, while a serving of sesame seeds has 7% of the daily value. O, di ba? Grabe, no? Alright, let's proceed po sa number 2. Ito na, dairy product na po tayo. Cheese. Okay? Ang cheese po, not all cheese are excellent sources of proteins. Parmesan cheese has the most. Ang Parmesan cheese has 124 milligrams of or 19% of the daily value per ounces or 28 grams. Okay, grabe yung calcium po ng Parmesan. Okay, softer cheeses tend to have less. Pag soft ang cheese, less daw ang calcium niya, mga masters and mga ka-G. For instance, 1 ounce or 28 grams of brie, it's spelled as B-R-I-E. Hindi ko alam yan. Okay, only delivers 52 grams or 4% of the daily value. Okay, hindi ko alam ang brie or brie. Hindi ko alam ang pronunciation din po. As a bonus, our body absorbs the calcium in dairy products more easily than that from plant sources. Sabi po daw ay mabilis na ma-absorb yung calcium na nanggagaling po sa dairy products compared po sa mga plant-based na mga products, no, sources. Okay? Cheeses also delivers proteins. Cottage cheese has 23 grams of protein per cup. Okay? 23 grams per ng protein per cup. Grabe, no? Okay, and more aged. What's more pala? Aged or hard cheeses are naturally low in lactose. Pag medyo umidad na po yung cheese, aged, at matigas, mas mababa po yung kanyang lactose level, making them easier to digest for people who's lactose intolerant or has lactose intolerance. So, sino ba sa inyo dito yung every time kumakain po kayo or umiinom po kayo na something with dairy products, kayo po ay napuput-put-put, gumaganon kayo. Okay? So, that's what you call lactose intolerance. Hindi po siya ma-process ng mabuti ng iyong tiyan ang milk or dairy products. Kaya po ikaw ay merong irritability. Okay? So, and then, dairy products have additional health benefits. For example, na increased dairy intake may be associated with lower risk of heart disease. And it po sasabi dito, yung baga mataas yung iyong dairy intake ay bumababa din yung risk mo for heart disease. Siyempre mga iba't ibang mga studies po yan. Another review found that the regular consumption of milk and yogurt was linked to a lower risk of metabolic syndrome, a condition that raises your risk of heart attack, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Okay, so pag kumakain ka, umiinom ka, nagkukonsume ka ng milk at yogurt, yun, makakatulong po siya sa heart at syempre sa diabetes. Makaka-avoid daw. Syempre, pag yung produkto na tinitake mo ay konti yung sugar, di ba? Kasi meron na mga produkto na yung mga sugar nila ay matataas. However, keep in mind that full-fat cheese can be high in saturated fat and calories. Kasi meron mga cheeses po na full fat. Okay? Certain cheeses also contain lots of sodium. Not all cheeses are safe because some of them are preserved and some of them has a lot of salt or sodium. And of course, the high saturated fat and calories. Okay? Which some people may need to limit. Okay? So in summary, Parmesan cheese packs 19% of the daily value of calcium, while other types of brie deliver around 4% despite being high in saturated fat and calories, eating dairy may lower your risk of heart diseases. Ayan po. Bukas po ay mag-discuss po tayo about yogurt. Okay? Yogurt naman po tayo. Okay? Because yogurt is an excellent source of calcium. Ayan, at meron tayong less than 2 minutes na lang po. At ayun po, ay lubos-lubusin ko na muna. I'll take the opportunity to thank each and every one of you here for supporting, of course, my yesterday's activities of the Baikulitan family. Okay, of course, we just finished our premier marathon, and we had 4 hosts yesterday. So I was the first host from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Philippine time, and was followed by RMTV 21 from 4 to 6, and 6 to 8 was BAMS 2.0, and then from 8 to 12 is Merle S. Tani Vlogs. So we are very, very happy of the outcomes of our premier marathon, because we were getting more friends, earning more trusts from our subscribers. And of course, the program, the premier marathon is really, really helpful for us, because that makes us produce or make videos, okay, every other day, because we have it every Tuesday, Friday, Thursday, and Sunday. So it helps us develop good habits, especially to make sure that we have contents on our YouTube channels. Anyways, thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you so much for those who helped and who became part of the successful events. And see you till our next Premier Marathon, which will be tomorrow. And thank you so much, mga masters and mga G. And again, this is your one and only Master Worm. And G, God is great. Yahoo!